This is a 2020 GMC Sierra. Elevation brown over black. Interior, power driver's seat, power windows, locks and mirrors. Leather wrapped steering wheel. OnStar, push button start, remote start, electronic climate control. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Heated seats, USB for your phone. There's a look at the rear seat. Black aluminum wheels, receiver hitch, lockable tailgate, backup camera, bed liner. This vehicle is powered by a 5.3 liter V8 engine, so it's got power. And like all pre-owned vehicles, Autonation Cadillac, it has a 5-day, 250-mile money-back guarantee.